but that's not good enough for someone who doesn't want to spend over $100 for one shoe. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 pairs of shoes from Finishline's website 50% off sale, specifically for women. So let's go right into it. These 2 pairs of shoes that I'm showing you today, I've had my eyes on for the longest time. You know, I get notifications from Finishline's app saying, oh, we got a 25% off sale, free shipping, but that's not good enough for someone who doesn't want to spend over $100 for one shoe. So I'm finally showing you the deal that I scored just playing the waiting game. So to show you what I'm talking about, first find the shoe that you want. It may be full price, like mine was originally $120, but slowly the retailer will mark it on sale. In this case, it got marked down to $100. Sales will change constantly, but it's up to you to keep an eye on your size. See if during a certain sale, certain sizes are selling out. This probably means you should buy your size during that particular sale. You don't want to feel sad that you waited too long and you missed out. However, mine was a slow seller, so I was able to snag an additional 50% off the clearance tag, making my purchase of 2 shoes $100. And if you take away the shipping and had free store pickup, you can knock off $7. Now that I explained how I got these pairs for cheap, let's get into the review. So the first pair is the Air Max 200. You can see that it's inscribed on the tongue area. This is actually a men's pair too, so you could grab this if you want to match with your boyfriend or girlfriend. And this actually comes in different colorways, like nude or like a pop of lime, but I really wanted to grab this black and white version just because I knew that, you know, when I'm dressing myself, I want a shoe that is casual but can make any outfit pop. Or just, you know, just throw it on with a t-shirt and jeans and the shoe speaks for itself. So it's quite a thick shoe, and they have like a clear tubing on the bottom with 3 holes. I think that helps with the support. I like the pattern, you know, it's kind of out there but not too crazy. You know, I'm not that flashy of a person. So if you're looking for a shoe that, you know, you could pair easily, but staying true to who you are, just kind of simple in a way, I would recommend this. My second pair, I wanted to go for a running shoe. I've been using the same running shoes for the longest. I've probably had them for a couple years now. So I really wanted a new cute pair that made me motivated to run. You know, that's just kind of how I think. If my shoe's cute, I want to run. I picked pink. You know, I thought it was really cute and feminine, and especially for the summertime. You have different pink tones. It's not too dark, so you have kind of the light pink colorway going on. It's a pretty light shoe. As someone who's not really too invested in running, I wasn't very picky on, you know, how much comfort it was gonna be. So far, the looks, I'm already sold on it. You know, they have the Nike logo and the Joyride name on it and a pull tab, so it's easily to kind of just go on for a run. So far, I think it's cute, even just to wear casually, even I'm just doing yoga or something.
Really?
Let's recap on the 2 pairs of shoes, starting with the Air Max 200. I definitely think these are worth the investment, especially if they're on that sale, $100 versus the $120. They're thick and it's supportive, so, you know, if you're walking around for quite a bit, I think your feet will be just fine. And come on, they're black and white. You could pair these with anything, so definitely get your hands on these. And if you can find someone to match with you, that'd be a really cute dope pic to take for Instagram. Joyride shoes, I kind of had a different experience for these pair. These aren't as comfortable as the Max 200. Even though these are advertised as running shoes, I probably wouldn't run over a mile or two in these. I just felt like even though they're lightweight, I didn't feel the support in it. So if you're going for a light jog, these shoes will be just fine. But like I said, I wasn't really looking into this top of the line running shoe. I just wanted something kind of cute. So maybe that kind of bit me in the butt. But I mean, these were $50, so can't complain. I did have some issues putting my feet in. The tongue area is kind of restricting. So I was kind of forcing my foot in versus the other pair. So it kind of lost some points for me just because when I'm throwing on shoes, I don't want to have to struggle to put them on. I felt like the other pair was more true to size. So maybe if you want to size up, but it was just mostly getting them on. It felt comfortable once they were on. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're looking to purchase these shoes, these are more kind of not wear for that long, but they're definitely cute. So $50, I can't be mad. This review of this haul of the 50% off from Finishline. It kind of was a hit or miss on comfort wise, but you can't beat the deal for getting 2 pairs for $100, which you can't say a lot when you're shopping for Nike shoes. Let me know in the comments if you ever snagged a deal like this, or you know, if you want to see future shoe reviews in the future. I'm still looking for the most comfortable running shoe, but I don't want to pay a lot of money for it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for more content from me.